Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Islam Manzoor here. So in this video we are going to learn an amazing feature of GoHighLevel that's called Popup. We will set Popup an amazing website and you will get more leads, more sales and more conversion as well. That's the most important features of GoHighLevel. If you can use Popup on your website, you will get more leads, more sales and more customer. So without wasting time, let me dive in a video and I will show you how we can add it on our websites. Right now I'm going to add on this website. By the way, this is digital marketing agency website. I have designed in a GoHighLevel. I'm going to add Popup on this website. So what I need to do, I'm just simply go back on a backend and simply go to the sites, and also I just go to the website section, and that's a website we have designed, and just simply go to the edit mode of website, and I just simply click on it, edit section, and it will take few seconds and take us to on the edit mode. So right now here we are in edit mode. So here you can see we have different features here. We can utilize it for website design purpose, but right now we are going to use this pop-up feature. Here you can see that's a pop-up setting. I just simply click on it, and here we have setting of pop-up. I just make my height small, put aside, and just simply go here, and here we have pop-up setting, and you can design, you can select your width, height and padding according to your requirement. And if you want to add background image, you can add it, and you can disable pop-up or close pop-up on click outside. It's up to you whatever setting you want to add. And for example, someone click here or here, pop-up will be closed, or either you can just switch off it. And size medium, if you want to full you can make it full, and you want small, you can make it small as well, but medium is a good option. And after that we can go to the advanced section, and we can add some borders. We can say that full borders, and we can say dashes, and we can just change color according to the website. And yeah, that's the main color of website. And also we can say that's not look professional, we can go with the dotted it also not look, we can go with the solid. Yeah, that looks good. And border is 2 pixel, I think looks good, or we can say 5 pixels. Yeah, 5 pixel looks good. And after that, what we can do, we can just add row and elements, whatever you want to design here. So I can say one column. Yeah, we can add one column, and in which we can add headings. And heading, we can say click here to join our submit information to get your information. And then we can add another column, and we will say what we need here, just add an element. And we are not going to use that element, we are going to use a form here, and just simply click on it, and we can say form, just simply add form. Here is a list of form, which form we are going to use right now. I'm going to use this one, that's the form. And here is the submit button. We will say submit information, win a gift. That's a pop-up. And what we can say, we can just simply save it or publish it. It will be automatically implement on our this website. Okay, I just update it, publish it. Okay, and just simply go and live test. Just refresh my page. So it will take few seconds, and after that will be pop up automatically, pop up on our screen, and we need to put information. And after that, what we are doing on a backend, we will also, here you can see the pop-up is live here. And what we can do on a backend, I just simply go here, and I just select the form, which form we have select. What we can do, we can make automations as well once someone submit their information. So what's going on a backend, so we will make automations. And I just simply go to here, and we will say create workflow, create from scratch. And in a scratch, I just simply go to, I will add trackers, submit trigger, submit form. And we need to just simply go to here, form is whatever form is you can select. In my case, I'm going to select this one, that's the form. And we will, what we can say, we will add tag, add contact tag, leads, we can say leads, that's a tag we are going to use. And after that we can create and update opportunity, and we need to select a pipeline. We can say, for example, I'm going with the DB out, and we will say engaged, or we will say interested. And what information you want to show here, whatever you want to add, it's up to you. Yeah, it's open, just simply add this. And in the next one, sent emails, and in which we will say username, user email. We will test now. We'll say simply go to contact, full name, and we will say there, thank you so much for submitting your information. That's it, and that's the email send, and you can wait and you can send SMS as well. So that's it, how we can automate our pop-up, design pop-up and automate in GoHighLevel. It's super easy. And if you need any GoHighLevel services like similar website design services or more professional than this, just simply go to leadsflex.com and book your free consultation, and I will jump with you on a call and I will guide you step by step. Another case is that if you can go and buy GoHighLevel with my affiliate link, I will jump with you on a call. I will set up your complete GoHighLevel, and also I can provide you complete website design free, automations free, even emails copies free. Thank you so much for watching this video.